and back with another video. We're gonna unbox a camera, and for my dad bought it for a YouTube video, so we can make it together. You have the camera right here, and we're gonna open it.
You got it?
Yeah.
In this area.
I'm putting it on. We have these over here, and we even have these cases things. We have this to put it around the thing. And this is the thing of put it on the camera. And this is where we'll put it like a screen. And this is the charger. And this is that. And this is the menu right here. The charger goes right there. And there's the camera. And that's the thing. We're gonna make videos on this thing. We'll see them in another video. This is the thing where you write. This is the quality of the camera. It's on low percent. Needs charge. We'll put it on charge and then record another video for you guys. I'll be back with another video. Please support my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye from King Krish 26. Bye King Krish 26. We're gonna unbox a camera.
You want to be a YouTuber, right?
Yeah.
You wanted to do this, right?
Yeah.
Then why are you crying?
Because I don't know how to make a video.
It doesn't matter. You're a little kid. You make what you can make, okay? People will support you. Don't cry. This is what you want to do, okay? No one's going to judge you, okay? Okay?
Away.
Give your sister a hug.